Hey everyone, welcome back to Print Drive. I lost a couple hood clips on my car, so instead of buying new ones, I'm going to 3D print some replacements. I'll be using black PETG plastic since it's strong, flexible, and heat resistant. Let's see how this goes. Alright, first let's check out the problem. As you can see, two clips from the trunk sound insulation have popped off, and now the insulation is just rattling around against the trunk. Okay, so first I'm going to try to pull out one of these clips from the hood insulation, just so I can measure the dimensions and model it up. Man, this is tougher than I thought. The clip is really stuck tight in the mount, but I'm sure I can get it out. Yes, finally got the clip out from the trunk insulation. Let's close it up and get started on the project. Alright, time to fire up the 3D printer. I'm using a Bambu Lab P1S, but honestly, for a simple project like this, pretty much any printer will do. I found a similar model on MakerWorld. That's a site with tons of 3D printing files. And yeah, it's not just toys there. You can actually find a lot of really useful stuff. Now I'll download the STL file and open it up in Orca Slicer. I'm going to scale the model down by about 5%, just to make sure it fits perfectly on my car. Now I'll just hit print on the adjusted model and let the printer do its thing. Now, let's take a look at how it looks from the 3D printer's point of view. The print finished successfully. Now I'll take off the clip and shut down the 3D printer. Looks pretty good so far. Now let's test the new clip in action. The clip snapped right into place perfectly. Now the hood insulation won't be banging around anymore. That's it for today. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. See you next time.